That's nice. They're heavy, but that's a good thing. Bad. Individually rough, which is a good thing. Now we're gonna scratch. There you go, and this is plastic. That's the first one. Oh my gosh, these are the tripods. This is the huge tripod. Wow, it's huge. There you go. Whoa, boy. Hold on. Let's put it right here. That's huge. Noise. But second, this would be like 1, 2, $3. This is the other tripod. The other tooth for the tripod. Again, individually wrapped. Nothing else in the box. This tripod is loose, so okay. Making sure it doesn't come apart. Make sure it's not broken. We'll put it together and then we'll make sure nothing is broken. Feels okay though. That's the second tripod. Okay, stop making noises. Okay, so this is what we have done so far. This is gonna be the sides on each end. So, and then this is the center. So now we're gonna do the poles that go down. Let me just pause the video and then I'll continue. Okay, so after placing these guys on, securing them, I get this part all the way up. Okay, so this is set up already with the poles on the top. This is how it goes. These are the 4 screws that were hanging there somewhere. You can see the whole thing. This I haven't used it because it has to go higher, and as you can see, the ceiling of my house is kind of there, so I can't go higher. But this thing goes pretty high. I'm 6 foot high, and I'm about, what I would say, about here. This is 6 feet. I think it goes up to 10 if I remember well. So you can see that. This is how it goes in the center. Continues and continues and continues. And there goes the second pole. And then we got the bottom. That's the brand right there. Very happy with it. Now definitely getting more lights, heavier lights. Got some tiny lights to start with, but now I got those guys, so I'm gonna get more of those because this is strong, steady. So yeah, now I feel tiny. Now I feel like I definitely need better lights, bigger lights. Now you can set this up to half the size if you want. The only thing you have to do is take this off and then attach this to the end there, right there, so that we can shorter if you don't want to use the whole thing. And then you have the lights on top right here. Or you can use, if you want, you can use the pole here. And if it's a small space or something like that, you can use a small, just one pole or two poles without the center. I mean, you can do so many setups with it, so many options. So there you go. It's all set up. So I'll put up the video so you guys can check it out. And that's how you do it. It comes with two Allen keys wrench, so you can put it together. It took me a little bit to put it together because I'm by myself, and because I mean I'm reading manual trying to follow the instructions, but that's how it looks like. Now that it's set up, it will be like in seconds probably I could get it done. It looks pretty easy. It is pretty easy. It's about that, or this, or that. This right here. That's all you have to do. There's nothing complicated. The only tools it comes with is an Allen wrench, and that's it. So let me set up the lights and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is how I set up my Black Widow. It's right there. That's how it goes. These ones are the cheapest ones, so don't pay attention to the wires and the Velcro. These are the cheap lights that I start with, just to play for fun. But now that we got serious, we're gonna get bigger lights. So, but that's the look of them on the poles right there on the top. So yeah, so you guys have an idea. So because this thing right here were too big for the holes right here and the holes right here, so I'm gonna have to either make the holes bigger, which is easy, to use one of these here, which I'm gonna do probably. But yeah, it's getting there, so I'm gonna get more lights, fix that up and make it look good. Alright, just to show you.